Hello, everyone. Today we're opening up Iono's Bellibolt EX Premium Collection. So, in the Premium Collection, we got the photo and the acrylic standee sheet, and I think this is just like a backdrop, so that's pretty cool. And it came with two promo cards. We got the Iono's Tadpole, and of course its evolution, Iono's Bellibolt EX. This is the secret illustration rare, but this is the promo version. And there we are. The collection also came with six packs. There is Two Journey Together, there's a Surging Sparks, Paradox Rift, and Obsidian Flames.